15 minutes. Are you Kayla Bernard?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. You're here on 26 CR 0026 for the pretrial conference. Were you born in 2002?
Yes.
Last four digits, social security number 7191.
Yes.
What's the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, Ms. Hill's got one of the co-defendants and she tendered a discovery request. We're working on getting a video enhanced. And I think there's some other things, so we need another month on this if we can get it.
You want negotiation day too?
Yes, please.
Negotiation day on June the 5th, the next court appearance on June the 18th. Both of them are conditions for your bond, okay?
We'll talk before then.
Nicholas Burge,
Thank you.
yes. Commonwealth versus Nicholas Burge, 25 CR 0071. Are you Nicholas Burge? Good morning. Were you born in 1985?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 3658.
Yes, sir.
We're here for pretrial conference. What do you have?
Felony plea.
A motion's been tendered that says you wish to enter a plea today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you currently under the influence of drugs or alcohol?
No.
Is this plea freely and voluntarily given?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same individual that was just identified in 25 CR 0071?
Yes.
Is your judgment impaired today in any way?
No, sir.
Have you discussed this matter with your attorney? Are you satisfied with his advice?
Yes, sir.
Have you viewed the evidence the Commonwealth has against you? Believe you're fully informed about your case?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you do not have to enter a guilty plea today. You have certain rights under the Kentucky and United States Constitution. Before I can accept a plea, I need to know that you understand those rights. I'll go over them and then ask you, okay? You have the right not to testify against yourself. No one can make you say anything. Right to speed trial, but jury right to be represented by the counsel at your jury trial. Right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses called to testify against you. Right to produce evidence. Right to call witnesses in your favor. Right to appeal this matter to a higher court if you lose, and right to acquire the Commonwealth to prove under reasonable doubt that you're guilty charge against you. Understand that they enter a guilty plea, they give up those rights. You understand that? And I may consider the Commonwealth's recommendation, but I may apply any range of sentence provided below. I don't have to accept the recommendation. Prior to accepting any recommendation, I'll await a pre-sentence investigation report that will be done by probation and parole. In the event, after reviewing that, I decide not to take Commonwealth's recommendation and decide to impose a harsher sentence, you have the right to withdraw that for the trial. Do you understand that? Ms. Gordon Anderson, what is Commonwealth's recommendation?
Yes, Your Honor, we have an information in this case. We are dismissing the indictment number 25 CR 71, and the defendant has signed an information for wanton endangerment first degree. Upon a plea of guilty to information.
Wait, why are you just not amending the indictment?
That way it could be probated. We contacted the victim and this is in accordance with his wishes. He wanted a probated sentence and the victim, the defendant stay away.
What was the original charge?
It's an assault. It's
Yeah. Assault second.
Why couldn't it be the
We can't
charge?
get a class D felony on assault. There's
Yeah,
no class D felony. That's the
Be
problem.
misdemeanor.
so you're gonna proceed on a misdemeanor information?
No, it is wanton endangerment first, so it'd still be a
Change
felony.
it to a D. Okay, okay, go ahead.
Upon a plea to guilty to the information indictment number 26 CR, whatever we fill it in for the charge of wanton endangerment first degree, the defendant shall receive a sentence of 5 years, probated for 5 years, supervised. The defendant shall have no contact with the victim or the victim's real property. The defendant shall receive credit for time served. The defendant shall obtain gainful employment or do a minimum of 30 hours per week until gainful employment is obtained. The defendant agrees to have any and all evidence in the above style case forfeited and destroyed in a manner that's consistent with the laws, the Commonwealth, and the holding agency.
What is the new number on the information when you convert it to a criminal action number?
26 CR 46.
CR 42,
46.
46? Okay. Is that your understanding, sir, of the Commonwealth's recommendation?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you did commit the acts as charged in the information?
Yes, sir.
You're doing so of your own free will, knowing your constitutional rights are explained. Is it still your desire to give up those rights into this plea? You understand by entering this plea, any future convictions of felonies could be enhanced for a sentencing because of that. You understand that? Is that your signature on the document?
Yes, sir.
I accept the plea and schedule sentencing for It's for June the 18th, and you'll need to meet with probation and parole officer. Okay?
I can do that one by Zoom too, I assume, Judge.
Do what?
I could do that one by Zoom also.
Sure. Make sure you go over the document with him though.
Oh, I will, Judge. Is there any objection to his ankle monitor being removed now since he?
I have none.
Okay, we'll enter an order removing the ankle monitor. Christopher Bryant. Commonwealth versus Christopher Bryant. 26 CR 009. Are you Christopher Bryant? Good morning. We're here on 26 CR 009 for sentencing. Were you born in 1989?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 3558.
Yes, sir.
You had an opportunity to look at the pre-sentence investigation report done by probation parole. Is it substantially correct?
Yes, sir.
The only thing, Your Honor, on page 5, I think it's page 5 where it gives the narrative of this case. It refers to Warren County Circuit Court and Warren County Grand Jury, and it obviously should be Monroe. I don't know how much effect that has on things, but I should point that out.
Okay, well, will you make a notation of that, make a correction on the pre-sentence investigation report? Upon pleading guilty possession of controlled substance, first degree, first offense, the offender shall receive a sentence of 3 years probated for 5 years supervised. Shall be referred to social service clinician for any recommendations. Receive credit for any time served. Report costs $240. You need any time to pay that? Need time to pay the $240. Okay, you pay it today and you meet with probation parole officer, okay?
All right, thanks, sir.
Thank you, yeah.
Your Honor, I don't know if I need to ask the court, but I had to file a motion for a partial bond assignment in that case. I don't know if I need to be.
You got a cash bond up? Okay, go ahead, that can be released. I don't,
Once he pays court costs.
after the court cost is taken out.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, no problem. Justin Bunch. Commonwealth versus Justin Bunch. Are you Justin Bunch?
Sir, good morning.
Good morning to you. You're here on 25 CR 0044 and 26 CR 0045 for arraignment. Were you born in 1982?
I was.
Last four digits, social security number 5069.
It is.
You have the indictment there, young man. Okay, I don't know whether you've been served on or not, but I can arraign you since you're here. So the grand jury of Monroe County's returned an indictment charging you with tampering with physical evidence. You acknowledge the identity of your client, received the indictment, wait for more read and arraignment, and plead not guilty on the tampering with evidence charge.
Do Your Honor.
Okay, now, what is the Commonwealth's position?
We're asking that these two indictments be consolidated. They're out of the same events.
Without objection, so ordered.
And then I have no objection to him remaining out on the same bond. And I don't know if we need another negotiation day or if you just want to get a trial date.
If we could get one more negotiation.
June the 5th for negotiation and June the 18th. And if we reach a resolution the 18th, we can set a trial date.
Yes,
Are you in handcuffs now? Have
Yes,
they
sir.
just arrested you? Okay, well, he's already been processed once. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So there's no reason to process against you. You can let him go and you be on the same bond that you're on the other charge, okay?
Sir, thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Catherine Carmichael, active warrant,
Yeah, she'd been in NCIC a while now.
NCIC, okay. Ryan Carnahan, active warrant. So the
Yeah,
NCIC
we'll
too.
have to put him in NCIC.
Even NCIC, Jonathan Clark. Commonwealth versus Jonathan Clark, 25 CR 0076. Are you Jonathan Clark?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Were you born in 1974?
Yes, sir.
Last four digits, social security number 6109.
Yes.
Okay, I don't see your lawyer here. Candace Combs.
My lawyer called me last night and told me that we didn't have to be here, but I came anyway because it's such a late notice. Her letting me know.
I think you did the right thing.
So
What's the deal?
Did we approach?
Yeah,
Last time we met with his attorney, he was gonna cooperate.
okay.
Hey,
Wait, no, no.
With the.
Wait. Were you born in 1979? Last 4 digits, social security number 5141. What does the Commonwealth have to say?
Your Honor, we had done the great order to obtain records, and I received an email late yesterday from your assistant, but I've had opportunity to go through those records, yes.
Well, those weren't the records we subpoenaed because that subpoena, those records you going to you to review, to give to me. But the mother of the child got records in Tennessee, short circuits and things and sent it to,
Yeah, like I say, I've not had time to review on what they are.
We'll set it for June the 5th for a negotiation day and the next court date, June the 18th.
June 18th. I'm out on summer break with my family the week of,
Well, they're gonna miss you.
they are, especially because I paid for plane tickets.
July 16th.
Thank you, Judge.
You want to wait the negotiation day till the
Yeah,
16th?
we'll do an agreed order and set it for the July date.
Okay, you make sure you contact your attorney so you're there at the negotiation and court date. The court
Thank you,
date is
Judge.
July 16th, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Tammy Trammell. Commonwealth versus Tammy Trammell, 23 CR 0034. Are you Tammy Trammell? Tamia, pardon me.
Okay.
Did you have an attorney in district court, public defender?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll consider that appointment. You have a right to remain silent. You're here on 23 CR 0034. Were you born in 1986?
Yes, sir.
Last 4 digits, social security in 1102.
Yes, sir.
You're here for arraignment. You
Yes,
have a
sir.
right to remain silent. If you don't understand this, step away from the podium, and talk to your attorney. If there's anything. The grand jury of Monroe County's attorney indictment charging you with possession of marijuana and possession of controlled substance in the first degree, as well as failure to maintain insurance. You understand what the charges are, okay? Counselor, you acknowledge the identity your client received in indictment, wait formal reading and arraignment, enter plea of not guilty, reserving all pretrial motions.
I do, Your Honor.
It's a negotiation date at 9 a.m. on June the 5th here to negotiate, and then be back here on June the 18th at 9 a.m. For your next court appearance. Both of those are a condition of your bond, so your attorney will write those 2 dates down for you, so you need to make arrangements, Ms. Trammell, to meet with him and prepare for your negotiations, okay? Maybe continued on the same bond. You'll be late, okay? Michael Turner. Still in the hospital. We have any report on that? William Underwood.
Do you want to put Michael Hanlon out to the next setting?
Michael Turner review on June 18th. William Underwood.
Judge, for Mr. Underwood, I don't know where he is today. I know he was at the negotiation conference. He was in a wheelchair. He had that major accident a couple months ago. If we could set a negotiation date for June, and I can see if he went into a rehab place, because
Why don't you try to call, you have a phone number for him?
I can try, Your Honor.
You know, you give him a call since he had an accident. I'll give him the benefit of the doubt, but you know, you need to try to get somebody. One of y'all need to call him. We'll come back to him
Yes,
later, okay? Let's go. Is Allen County on the line yet?
We've got one out of custody.
Take Keith.
I'm sorry.
I wouldn't say nothing, Judge, but I've got
Yeah, Jacob Keith.
school function I want. For a little girl, I don't want to let her down.
Yeah, I understand. Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Jacob Keith, 25 CR 0078. Are you Jacob Keith?
Yes, sir.
Were you born in 1984?
Yes, sir.
Last 4 digits, social security number 4943.
Yes, sir.
Says a pretrial conference.
Got some complications, Your Honor. Ms. Gordon Anderson is representing him in a custody case. It's indirectly involved with this case. I need to meet with her and see if need to get a special prosecutor. I don't think I will, but I want to
You
make sure.
just fire her. She's got another job lined up.
She'll take off the next 6 months.
Yeah.
And then also, Mr. Bell and I need to meet about some of the evidence, and I've got some problems. I'm gonna be out the first of the month, and then he's gonna be out, so
So
I'm probably,
will you be out on June the fifth?
no, I will not. So I'm gonna be out that week. I've got a medical procedure. I've
So
got-
you don't have to tell me where you're
But,
at.
could we just have a July pretrial conference date?
What date is that?
This,
What, you want a negotiation in the
Yeah,
court date's July 16th,
yeah, for July the 10th to be the negotiation.
July the 10th for negotiation at 9 o'clock and July 16th for the court date, okay?
July 10th is negotiation day, 16th is the pretrial day.
That's right. Both
Thank you,
conditions
Judge.
of bond, okay?
Good day, Judge.
You too.
Good man, bro.
Yeah, turn it, wait just a second.